Here we've got OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. Click on Clear Browsing Data then, and if you would like to remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, just leave those tabs active, and if not, smoothly unmark the switcher. And also, let's go to Advanced, where you can find few more options, which are saved passwords, out of info data, and site settings. Just mark those that you would like to remove, that you would like to delete, and finally set the time range. So just tap on time range and select the period of time from which you would like to remove this data. And as I would like to perform a full cleanup, just tap on all time and tap on clear data then. And this is it. This is how you can remove browsing history from your OPPO storage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.